All right, it's Tuesday, September 3rd. I'm buying some SPY 565 puts here at 767. This is on the 15-minute chart that has opened up the new month to the downside here on bar number 2, heading lower. This is looking for now kind of a chain reaction where if we come all the way down a little bit more and get a 2-down day, then we're targeting the low of last week, and that sets off a 2-down week. If we get down there, and then that kind of starts having a pullback into this gap here between the high of this bar and the low of this bar. Obviously, this is the brand new month. Even though we had a bit of a rally into last month, I mean, we started lower for a while. We were coming up strong, towards the end of the month. And now this month on the new flip, which is the first day of the month, we're starting red to the downside. Red to the downside on the weekly chart, red on the daily chart, obviously, and the opening is leading us that way. So now we have this reference point here, the open right here of the week and the month and everything else. As long as we stay below there, we're going to be biased to the downside. So we'll watch intraday structure, see if we continue lower, get that, that whole chain reaction. Obviously, on the daily chart, it's a bunch of inside price action, so it could be pretty choppy in here. But we want to see if we kind of break down to start the month and start taking out these lows down here to the bottom of the range, and then that can start filling in some gaps. And at that point, if that happens, we'll have to see the weekly chart reverse to the upside. But for now, we're just inside, of last week. And like I said, you could see these daily charts here just going sideways for a while, very choppy price action, so anything's possible. But the opening price action is sort of leading us down to the bottom of the range. So let's see if we trigger all that stuff. If we can get below here, then we could be starting to fill in these gaps. If not, then we have the open here to reference that, in terms of whether the week and the month and everything else stays red below there or starts to turn green above there. So opening price action seems to want to go lower, so let's just see if that kind of follows through for the rest of the day.